What is up, guys, and welcome back to part 2 of buying my Camaro. AKA, its nickname is, well, we haven't decided yet. It's either gonna be named Bucket or Little Bird. And I say Little Bird because, well, I don't know how many of y'all watch On the Gas, you know, and they just give away a Z06 Corvette C7. So I really wanted that car, but obviously I didn't get it. So I had to, you know, go buy something that's kind of similar to it, but this is like the smaller version. This is the more weaker version. But as you can tell, you know, the car's black, but you know, obviously we're gonna add our own personal touches to the car, and then we're gonna go drive it around. And then we did fix kind of fix the exhaust leak that it had because the O2 did fall out. So I kind of just like tack welded it right now, and the car seems to be running better a little bit. So like I said, I'm gonna go change real quick, and then they're gonna get started on painting the car and or adding our touches to the car. Not painting the car, but adding our touches to the car while I go get changed real quick. So I'll be right back. So
I said you just do it like that.
Nomás déjale el triángulo aquí, así.
Paint the track. We look like we can go through a rally race.
Si para eso lo compramos, igual.
Maybe put
Así, and then just do the square. Ya nomás hace el... No, correcto.
I gotta drive a little bit.
you need to do some ballers, right?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, guys, so here you have it. This is gonna be his temporary chip paint job for right now. So with the yellow mirrors, kind of like Big Bird, but we didn't have any more paint for the rim, so this is what we got. But yeah, this is, like I said, our little version of Big Bird. So this is a Little Bird, or AKA Little Bucket, or Bucket, my bad. But right now we're about to go to, oh, we also got the grill painted. But right now we're about to take it to Buc-ee's, and we're gonna see if it makes it. If not, we're gonna take my truck just in case. You know, if we need to pull it or something, we'll just pull it back with that. But I mean, it was driving fine yesterday, so it should make it. But let's go ahead and go to Buc-ee's, guys, and see if it makes it.
carro! ¡Está nuevo! ¡Está nuevo el carro! ¡No le pegues! There's a car! Move! There's a car! Move! There's a car! Get it now, it's such
Alright, so
Yeah.
we met at the Bucees.
I stopped it. I stopped that hole right now.
Oh, really? Really? Oh, okay.
Barely.
Un refill, un refill.
Cool.
Huh?
What you get?
Arnold Palmer.
Ahí está Roberto. He said if he buys one, I buy one. So if it fits him, I'll buy one.
Los zapatos todos culeados.
You got off work, by the way. Wow, it's good kind of.
Currently about
A what?
9 o'clock. My mom se te ve el camera todo.
Sí te queda. Sí te queda.
Ay, bueno.
Pongo zip it up.
Me da la cola, me da la cola.
Alright, I guess we're good though. Yeah, no mames.
How much did that shit hurt?
A ver, póngase enfrente, güey. ¿Sí?
Everyone gets to go. Alright, let's go.
Jump in it.
Jump in it. Park it, park it.
Bro, it's hot. Hurry up.
Come on.
All right, guys. So the car actually made it, you know, through the abuse, I guess you could say, on the way to Buc-ee's and back. And then obviously, you know, just the donuts that we just did. I mean, surprisingly, the car overall is actually pretty reliable, even though we keep, like, you know, stepping on it and stuff and everything. So it's pretty good. I was like, hey, I'll take it. It's fun, you know. It's, like I said, reliable. And I mean, right now, kind of like something was on fire, but it was just some leaves. So overall, the car stays cool, you know. Plus, you know, it's a huge help that it is a convertible, because it's hot as hell in there, especially with these things on.
And it's manual.
And it's manual. Yep. But I mean, I'm about to go drive this thing home. So yeah, I'm gonna go keep having fun with this, and we are, all of us are too, you know. But for today, that's gonna be it. You know, obviously we're gonna continue messing with the car and see what else we can run it against. You know, obviously it did pretty good up against my truck. Honestly, like, not gonna lie, I'm like, that's a, well, then again, the truck is pretty heavy, but still, that's a V8, you know, built trans, rear end, whatever. Not built rear end, but just, you know, disc rear end, yeah. But versus a stock car, you know, and that was tuned already. So once again, thank you for watching. You know, I hope y'all like the content with our bucket, or AKA little
bird.
Huh?
Little bird.
Little bird, yeah, little bird. So I think I like that name better. So it's me, Little Bird. So I think the last thing we're gonna do for it, maybe tomorrow or something, I'll probably get some stickers with our logo on it. Put it on across the windshield, or somewhere on the car. Somewhere. It's gonna go somewhere, right? But anyways, guys, comment down below.
Tag on the gas.
Yeah, tag on the gas, you know, to get them to come watch our video. I mean, they're probably gonna come to Dallas here soon, since the guy that won the Big Bird lives in Dallas. So if they stop by, you know, hey, we're running against them, man. We ain't scared. Nah, nah, this thing's gonna lose. But yeah, comment on the gas down below. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, like on the gas, and share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys, and once again, thank you for watching.